Today we'll learn how we can apply CSS in React components. So for that, first we'll quickly create a folder here. We'll call it folder. We'll go to our terminal and change directory to desktop where this is located and to the folder. Now we'll create our app by this command npx create react app, and we'll name our app. You can name it anything. Now it will install all the required packages, so we'll have to wait for a moment. So it is almost done. Right, it is almost done. Okay, so now you can run ls and we can see that its app is created. We'll change directly to this app and we'll run npm start. This would start our app. While it is starting, we can drag this folder to VS Code and we can just clear this up. Our app is starting here. So here we'll quickly remove all the unnecessary files which we do not need now, like app.test, logo, report, setup. We'll delete all this, okay? And we'll quickly go to index.js, we'll delete this, and we'll save. We'll go to app.js, we'll remove this div, we'll create our own div, and we'll remove this logo as well. We'll go to app.css, command A, remove all, and save. Now you can see this will do nothing, so we can go in this div and write h1 and we can write hello, and when we reload you can see this hello has appeared. Now it is having this margin here. Why is that? This is because of this. So we'll command A and remove all, and we'll write star and we'll write margin 0. What this means is, for root, this star is called root, we have specified that margin should be 0, and as we hit save, you can see this margin has disappeared from all the sides. Okay, now we'll go to our app.js, and as you can see, this app.css file is already imported here. So we import css files by writing the command import /app.css. Now this dot specifies that you have to jump just one directory up from this file and search here. If you wanted to search in this level, so we would write dot. You can see all these files are appearing, so it would search from this level, but we don't want that, so we'll just keep /app.css. Okay, now we'll remove this h1. Okay, and we'll write span and hello. You can see this hello has appeared. Now first of all, we'll apply inline css. So how we can apply inline css? We'll write style equal to curly braces one time and second time. Now inside this we can write our usual css, right? For example, color red, and you can see the color has changed. Now one thing should be remembered, that when you are putting the values should always be in double quotes or single quotes. This is necessary. And one thing more, if you want to add more CSS, you should always separate the CSS with commas. And if you, for example, if you want to change the size, you can write font. Now usually we did size like this, but it is not allowed here. It would give us error. So what we can do is we'll make the letter just after the dash as capital and all the other as small. Okay, and we'll write font size, and again we'll write 30 pixels and we'll save. Now you can see the size has increased. So like this you can give more and more CSS. For example, margin 100 pixels, right, and it has received the margin. So this is inline CSS. Now we'll use external CSS. So for external CSS we'll specify class name, right? So you can see this class name appears as you write CL. You enter, and here we'll write the class name of this span. So we'll write title, you can name it anything, and we'll save. Because we have imported app.css here, so we'll go to app.css and write our usual dot title. This is how we access classes, class names, and we'll write color blue, and we'll command save, and you can see the color has changed. So this is how we apply external CSS in React.